In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up your Claude AI account. So all you need to do is simply search for Claude AI on your favorite browsing app. Then from here, you do want to ensure that you do select the correct Claude AI. You may get some sponsored results such as this, so just scroll down and look for the official Claude AI site and select it. Now, as you wait for it to load, you should be able to now see the login page. From here, you can now have two different options of signing in. You can choose to continue with Google, or you can choose to continue with your email. So it's up to you to decide which option you prefer. So you can choose to just continue with Google as you set up your account. And then from here, you now need to go through the onboarding. This is just general information that Claude needs to know about you so that it can tailor its experience to your benefit. The first thing before you continue even further is to just agree to the terms and use policy, as well as choosing to either agree to the occasional promotional emails or not. Again, it is up to you to decide if you want to agree to this, but before you continue, you do need to agree to the terms of policy and then select Create Account. From here, you can now choose to subscribe to an account. If this is your first time using Claude, I would suggest you get a free account before you decide to upgrade to any higher packages. So it's up. Just go ahead and select your package, like so, and then from here, you can now either choose to download the app onto your computer, whether it is a MacBook or a Windows PC, or you can choose to skip and again choose to do that later. Now from here, you just need to go ahead and select continue. It does give you basic information about what it does. So add free chats, built to help not harm, and you can choose to either disallow or allow any of your chats to help improve the AI models. Again, it's completely up to you. If you want to change this again next time, you can do so. Then go ahead and select continue. Next, enter in the name you want Claude to know you by. It can be a nickname, it can be your full name, it's completely up to you. And then select continue. From here, choose what kind of professional you want you're currently working in. If you're product management, you can go ahead and select it. And Claude should give you different plugins and roles that can help you when it comes to your job. So you can go ahead and select something that suits you. For me, let's say I choose writer. Now, you can go a step further by choosing what you want it to help you specifically, such as polishing your draft's clarity, long form writing, or even matching your writing style. But it's not necessary. You can always just choose to select I have my own topic and move on. Once you do that, it will bring you to your first chat with Claude, and you can always just go ahead and select new chat and start using Claude AI all on your own. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions or comments, feel free to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.